Cytox car.
The 2025 Lexus LC 500 stands as a testament to luxury performance, combining cutting-edge technology with a striking design. As a flagship grand tourer from Lexus, it represents the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation. The LC 500 boasts a powerful 5.0-liter V8 engine, producing an exhilarating 471 horsepower, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.4 seconds. With its rear-wheel drive layout and sophisticated suspension system, the LC 500 promises an engaging driving experience that melds performance with comfort. Lexus debuted the LC line in 2017, aiming to compete in the luxury sports coupe segment, traditionally dominated by European brands. The LC 500 was designed to showcase Lexus's L Finesse design philosophy, characterized by sharp lines and a bold spindle grille. This model quickly garnered attention for its striking aesthetics and luxurious interior, setting a new standard for Lexus as a performance-oriented brand, while maintaining its core values of quality and elegance. The 2025 model year introduces refined features and updated technology, enhancing the overall driving experience. Notable upgrades include a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a larger touchscreen interface, offering seamless connectivity and improved user interaction. Additionally, the LC 500 now comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring safety without compromising on the thrill of driving. These enhancements demonstrate Lexus's dedication to staying ahead in an ever-evolving automotive landscape. Inside, the LC 500 continues to impress with its meticulously crafted interior, featuring premium materials such as leather and suede, along with customizable ambient lighting. The driver-centric cockpit is designed to provide an immersive experience, with ergonomic controls and supportive seating that make long journeys enjoyable. Lexus has prioritized comfort, ensuring that the LC 500 is as luxurious on the inside as it is visually striking from the outside. As Lexus moves forward, the LC 500 remains a pivotal model that embodies the brand's ambition to merge performance with luxury. With its rich history, exceptional engineering, and modern enhancements, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 is more than just a car. It's a statement of sophistication and driving pleasure. Enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike can look forward to experiencing the allure of this grand tourer, which continues to redefine what a Lexus can be.